What's up everyone? So today, as you could tell from the title of the video, I am unboxing the new PMVND, the Peter McKinnon variable NDs. These aren't just any variable NDs. These are the mist filters that he just released. I've actually been sitting on these filters for almost a week now, but you know, your boy had to clean up his room and stuff. Now it doesn't look messy now, but that's because everything is beyond the camera. Let's just not talk about that. Anyway, so yeah, I've actually been so excited to try and test these out. I will probably try to make an update on how these look, but you know, let's get into it. I do got the box right here. Oops, let's not show that. Let's not show the address. So I've been so excited to actually unbox these on camera. I actually have the original PMVND, but it's on here. I only have the 2 to 5 version. So the 2 to 5 should have ND 4 to 32, I believe. And then I don't actually have the original 6 to 9, which is I believe ND 64 to 256. I think. I've been so excited to actually unbox these and try them out. Real quick, happy Thanksgiving to everyone. I'm actually filming this on Monday, October 12th. So yeah, Canadian Thanksgiving. Again, happy Thanksgiving. I know, another Canadian YouTuber. Shout outs to, obviously, Peter McKinnon. Thank you for making these filters. I just got home from work. I just had to change real quick just so I could do this video, but do I have pants on? Who knows? You guys won't know. Maybe. I don't know. Do I? Maybe. Comment down below if you think I got pants. Alright, let's do this. Gotta open this. Oh, this knife is so blunt. Let's just do this. There we go. Oh, papers. What is this? We'll just throw that. Oh, look at that. So there we go. We got the 2 to 5 and the 6 to 9. I actually got both of them. So the 2 right here. So as you can see, this is the 2 to 5 and this is the 6 to 9. That would be so awkward. They're the right way, right? That would be so awkward if it wasn't. But yeah, so these are the mist filters. So as you can see, the packaging is quite small. I know everyone had a complaint about the original ones just because the packaging was rather huge and everyone say they would be wasteful. Honestly, I love good packaging, but at the same time, I have a bunch of boxes and I don't know where to put them. So thank you for that. Actually, I think I do have the original packaging around here. So here we go. Here's the original box for the PMVNDs. This is the 2 to 5 box that we said. So as comparison, look at that. It's actually quite small compared to the other one, but I'll show this one later on. Let's open up the 2 to 5. So, yeah. I'm super inept at this. Oh, okay. This one just slides out. I got these because I was actually in line to buy some Pro Mist filters. Why not? So like a variable ND with the mist filter. I believe this is like the first of its kind, apparently. I think so. Never actually seen one like that. So I might actually buy Pro Mist though, just because this might be too dark. So I just wanted to stop the video just to say, this isn't really a review. I'm not the greatest at doing this, so it's more of a what's in the box type of video. If you wanted a better video, gotta click, I think, up here or like up here. So that video is gonna be a link to Gerald Undun's video. It's gonna be explanations on what a mist filter is, a way better explanation on these filters. So yeah, click his video. Look at that. So that's what you get on the inside. That's what happens when you open it up. You got his signature right there. That is so cool. So like, I know you guys have probably seen him open up the box and everything on his video, but I just want to show you guys that. So let me find the original cover of the PMVNDs. It's kind of distracting, the light there. Literally right now, I have a bootleg set up. My key light is actually a desk lamp, which I should actually put a thing to diffuse it. I'm so sorry, this is so unprofessional. Just taping this up. There we go. You'll see how bootleg this actually is. So these are the original lens caps for them. I actually like them. They're like rubber, a bit of hard plastic on the front. Can you hear that? Hi guys, so these are the PMVNDs. Right here, they do have a rubber grip on them, which that actually feels really nice, but what is that, metal? Well, I know these ones are metal. Screw this off. And there you go. You can see the glass infused quartz right here. Can you see that? Oh, you can kind of see my bootleg setup. What's cool is that you could actually pop this on the front of this right there, and now you don't have to toss this somewhere else, put it inside your bag, slip it in your pocket. I do know, like, I carry a bunch of gadgets in my pocket, so I mean that's kind of nice. I do like the how sleek and small the design is. So dope design, Polar Pro. So I don't even think I said Polar Pro's name this whole time. I just been Peter McKinnon. Say that 10 times fast. Oh, I forgot to say, I mean, obviously with 17 subscribers at this time, I did buy these myself. These are not sponsored. I wish I was. Shout out to Polar Pro. Please sponsor me. But no, I really love the products. What it comes with is, look at that. Look how nice that is. It's just a really nice microfiber cloth, which I kind of did toss out my other one, so thank you. You guys probably have been waiting for me to pop it on, so without further ado, I'm gonna shut the fuck up and put this on. So screw that off. Just figure this out, pop this on. Oh, keep the struggle. Oh no, why can't I screw this on? Oh, no wonder I can't. The step-up ring came off with the other one, so there we go. Finally. Alright. Let me pop that off. And does it look different? Does it look the same? I will do an update on these to see how they are. For the most part, for me it feels different. I don't know if you guys can hear that. The filter does have some clicks to it, but that's because it's just so it can help you out. You don't need to you don't have to look down at your filter. So I do have this rim light. Oh wow, that is nice. Look at that lens flare. But let me put this here and I will switch out the filters just so you can see how the effect works. Let me open up the second box here. Just for reference, this is the original box, right? So what you get in the original box is that you take the sleeve off, you pull the tab, that pops up, magnetized. There's a picture of Pete's photo at Moraine Lake. I believe it's Moraine Lake. It does come with that metal case. Really nice, it's really sturdy. I guess same packaging, except this one is the 6-9. So inside the 6-9 box obviously is the same product, just with different stops of light, the 6-9 again. I hope that answers all your questions about what's in the box and what these filters come with. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that does solve all your questions about what comes in the packaging for these. If I missed something, please comment down below. I'll try to get back to you guys. I know I've been saying that I would edit all these vlogs and videos, but you know what? I will actually try to get to it. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, you can press the dislike button 2 times and move on over a bit more to your left side. Just, you know, a bit to the left. Press that like button, please. Please subscribe. I will try to make more videos, better vlogs, think of more content that I could do for you guys. Please follow me on Instagram. I do have 2 accounts. One is more personal, where I show all my photography on there. And then one is more tied to the name of this channel, OneNKen. That's me, Ken with the 1 N, or you could call me Ink. So thank you guys so much for watching. I'll catch you guys later, and stay safe out there. All right, peace. So if you guys wanted to see my bootleg setup, look at that. This is just my desk lamp. And I taped on some Kleenex on it, but yeah. That's what it looks like. All right, peace out. Should make some light paintings with these. Oh, that's kind of hot now. Oh. I'm using the Aperture MX. Hey. Peter McKinnon. Say that 10 times fast.